Good afternoon. As promised, I am back. We've had lunch and done all kinds of things, and so I've done that, and now I'm back to stitch in my pages. So what I've done is I put a few pins about halfway. Let me just grab a ruler and see. Yep, that looks all right to me where that pin is. So I'm going to grab this thread here. It's a little bit fiddly to do this. It's probably best if you have one that's long enough to go through all the layers, and also a strong needle. And what I'm going to do is, this is quite thick, so this will be a bit of a struggle. I'm going to come in under here, through there, and I'm just going to catch all 3 layers there. Okay, so that's done. Then what I'm going to do is just slide in, try and go straight through there, pull it, and then here I'm going to do a little stitch and come back up here, trying always to go in a straight line. I want to catch this page here. Oh, they're making so much noise. I'm sorry about that, guys. Just slide that in there so I know. And then I do a little stitch, but sliding forward, and it doesn't really matter if you can see the stitches on the inside, on the, on the page, but I don't want to see them here. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to threaten them with their lives, the 2 of them. They're trying to find paper, and my husband can't see for looking, and I've had to go out there and make sure it's done, otherwise there'll be a whole lot of commotion for the whole video. So they've sorted it out. They didn't need me. I could have stayed in here and minded my own business, but I'm a sticky beak, so out I went. Okay, so little stitches, sliding through more or less in the center. Can you imagine if I've been going down the same hole where I came up and the cover just slides right off? I didn't capture it. That would be a little bit funny, not funny. Okay. Can you imagine, like, if this, I've done all of my books like this except for the first one, 100 years down the track, if they survive, someone thinking, how did she stitch those in? How are they stitched in? Because you can't see the stitches. So I'm just sliding my needle through as I go forward. We'll probably be able to see this one because we're on the burgundy, winey sort of colour. Wine colour, yeah. Okay, now about there. Pulling. Down we go. About, oh, I can't see that stitch. That's just too good to be true, isn't it? Who knows if I'm in the centre or not. It's just for me, I'm not selling it. Tap. I'm nearly halfway. Now you could maybe, what you could do, where your center is on here, you could, I think next one I might try that. put a little bit of masking tape here and a little masking tape on the outside, and then you don't have to have the pins to tell you where the center is, more or less, because it's a very more or less business. Where's my needle there? And I'll just come up here. Where am I? About there. Yeah, it's all right. And you really can't see. He's making fun. Lily's told him to be quiet. She said, she's doing a video, you're going to get into trouble. Okay, that's that. And then I want to make sure I capture all of this here, I think, because it just makes it a bit more secure. So I think I've got a bit of a diagonal happening here, but it really doesn't matter, and I'm just going to do this. We'll see how it goes. Worst case scenario, you can always pull it out. That's the nice thing about fabric. And I think it's really funny. You've probably been watching my book number 6, and I got a newsletter today. As I opened my email, I got a newsletter from, guess who? Rachel Ashwell. Really funny. And in the picture in the newsletter, there was the lovely entrance hall with that basket full of beautiful things. I'm actually going to capture that as well because it was fraying. Now, if you don't put a knot, all of your pages eventually are going to fall out. Know that. Okay, take the clips off and let's see how did we go. Are we connected? We are. See? It works. Good. It's all in there. I don't dare shake it. So here is book number 5. Stitched in. I probably should have pulled it a bit tighter. I can see my stitches, but I don't care. There. Oops, missed the center. There's the center. There. Maybe I could have even done smaller, but you can't see them here, so that's all right. Love that. Love that. That. And that. There we go. They can go on my bookshelf now. It's a chunky one. And you can just see slight little indents there where I stitched the pages in. So I hope that was helpful. That's how I'm doing it. You can do the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. You could do a running stitch. That gets a little bit messy because it's very hard to go straight through so many layers. So I decided to do invisible stitch by doing little stitches, mini stitches on this side and mini stitches on this side. The only one thing in this one, I can see my stitches in a couple of spots, so possibly if I'd pulled them a little bit tighter it would have been all right, but you know, it's not a big deal. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.